Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anna, and in today's video we'll be talking about 6 streams of income as a UX designer. So let's talk about money. So when we're talking about how to make money as a UX designer, it goes beyond the 9 to 5 full-time job. There are other ways to make money as a UX designer in the industry. Here is for beginners in the industry to show them these are ways that are available for you to make money, as well as for professionals who have been in the industry for years as well to explore more ways to make money in their career. So we all need some little money here and there. So the first one is going to be the traditional 9 to 5 job, whereby you work for a company and you earn an amount of money at the end of the month, which is like every other job outside tech, like medical doctor, teachers, accountants, and every other job. Just like every other job, you go to a place of work, you get paid at the end of the month. So that's like the 9 to 5. The second one is freelancing gigs. So you can actually do this while still doing your 9 to 5 job, and you can decide to just be like a full-time freelancer. But I won't advise this for beginners. The reason is because as a freelancer, there is no financial security, right? You might actually make a lot this month and not make anything in the next 6 months. So there is no financial security unless you've grown your online presence to an extent whereby you can actually rely on that. But if you're still starting out, please do not just go full-time freelancing. You can actually take freelancing jobs while still job hunting for the 9 to 5, but do not go full-time freelancing at the beginning. I did that and I won't advise it. I won't advise you to, I did that, so I won't advise you to do the same. There is no financial security. So the freelancing gig is a company is reaching out to you to work on a project with them, which is usually within the duration of a month, 2 months to 6 months. So it's just for a particular project and that project only. So they are paying you for that particular project. You can charge the company per hour, which I will not advise. I usually charge per project, and you have to consider the job, what you have to do, like how intense it is, how easy it is for you. You have to consider how long time it's going to take and the duration of the project, as well as the company and the location of the company that is contacting you for a job. So all these have to be in consideration on how much you're definitely going to charge for a freelancing gig. But this video is not about pricing, so if you want to know about pricing, comment below and I'll make a video on how to price, on how to give like your quote for your freelance gig. So but freelance is another way where you can make money. So you can have people reach out to you, you can reach out to big brands who might need your services and are willing to pay for it, so that they pay you for a particular project and it's for a very short period of time, like I said. And for freelancing, you can take more than 1 gig. You can take like 3, 4, 5, right? If you're a full-time freelancer, and if you have a 9 to 5, if you have the capacity and the ability to take it, yeah, go ahead and take as many freelancing gigs as you can take. Another way to make money as a UX designer is selling digital products. So as a UX designer, we always like have time constraints. We always want to do things quickly, especially if you're working as a freelancer, or even with a company that are looking to launch very quickly. They're like fast paced. Sometimes you just need the UI kit that would make it very easy and faster for you. So there are designers who created this UI kit and sell them for a few dollars, right? So you can create UI kits that helps people to improve. This product particularly is not really limited to UI kits. I'm just talking from the UX perspective. Like most people I know create like UI kits as well as icons, illustrations. If you have the skills, these are digital products that you can create in the design space that people are willing to pay for. You can do your research as well, but UI kits, I know people pay for UI kits. Anything that makes it, that reduce the time that they have to design and help them be effective and efficient at their work, they are willing to pay. If you are very good with UI design, you can create UI kits and sell to other designers. And this is another way for you to make money. So the next one is tech influencing or content creation. So I would explain that there are certain people that are well known in the UX industry that create content about UX design, teach people, help people out to find their way, just talk about UI designs, topics, and conversations. And they're so well known that they have like thousands, even millions of followers. Some of them even have like YouTube channel. Like myself, I'm not a tech influencer, though, that has like a very huge following, a very huge numbers of subscribers. And this is the way they make money, right? They get paid by, like, if it is like Twitter now, they now Twitter is actually paying X, normally Twitter, right? So I still call it Twitter actually paid people based on the content they put out. This is not limited to tech influencing, right? But for tech influencers and content creators, the way they make money is when new design products are coming out, these companies of this design products are reaching out to them to make a post about them, to make like awareness about them, and they are being paid for it. So if you see your favorite big name, a popular person in the industry talking about a particular tool, they might not be paid, right? But most of the time they're actually paid to make that post, they are paid to use it, they are paid to talk about it if they find it enjoyable. And that's it. That's another way. So if you're starting out, you can, if there's something you're looking to go into, you're a very social person, you can try to leverage that and grow a huge following. Don't just start talking about UX design and grow your own community of people who love you, who you can have design conversations with, who are looking to grow together with you. And from there, you can actually get paid to talk about certain product that you find useful. The fifth way to make money is creating online courses. So if you have an expertise at a particular thing, and you might actually be like UI UX design, it might be UI design, it might be in illustration creation, it could be in product design, it could be in UX strategy, something that is, so it's not, doesn't have to be so unique, but something you're very good at and you have the ability to like explain things to people in a very clear and concise way that they understand. You might look into creating courses and having it on this learning platform that are available like Udemy and being paid. People were for these courses and you're being paid based on it. This is actually a passive income. You already created the tutorial once and you forever get paid for it as far as somebody is enrolling for the course that you created. The final one is consultation, right? So you can get paid by being consulted by designers in the same field, by companies, businesses that need your expertise. So this is different from freelancing because they are not coming for you to do certain jobs for them. They are coming for you to find a loophole or understand something. And you can actually get freelancing gigs from consultation. During your consultation, if you guys are able, if during your consultation, if they are able to figure out a problem with their business and you have a solution to it, you might be hired for the job. So for consultation, it's for designer aspects is if you're working, if you have like 10, 15 years of experience and your career has grown so much that somebody with 3 years experience is actually confused and looking for a way to go from the particular stage to the next stage of their career, and they find you as somebody who is valuable, who they need to speak with, and you offer consultation, right? So they can just sign up for a section with you, pay, and you have a conversations that will actually like bring clarity to their career journey. And for brands, if brands knows that you are an expert in this particular field and they are trying to look like how can we bring this person, how can we bring this person's skills into our business, they might not actually contact you for a freelance or a full-time job directly immediately. They might actually sign up for a consultation whereby you help them to figure out what the problem is for a sections, even multiple sections actually, to figure out and actually help them to render your services. So consultation could actually, section could be like 30 minutes or an hour. So let's say you have 3 consultations in a day for 30 minutes. That's just 1 hour, 30 minutes, 90 minutes. That's all you have to dedicate for a day. That's another way to make money. And the final truth is, most of these ways to make money, you definitely need a huge audience or your own community to be able to do it. That is the truth. To create an online course, it's not hard, but to get people to buy your course is going to be there. People are only going to buy courses of people they think are experts in their field, who they think their knowledge is valuable to them. For consultation, companies and designers will only come to you if they think you are the right person, you are valuable to them. Same with UI kits. UI kits, to create UI kit, there are actually like thousands of UI kits out there. This is not to discourage you, actually. This is not to discourage you in any way. This is just the reality of what it is. There are like UI kits. If it's something you want to do, please go ahead and do it. But always talk about it. If you didn't talk about your consultation, your online course, your UI kits, nobody's going to find out about them. They're just going to be lost in the pool of thousands, millions of resources available out there. So you should start your own community of people who share the same interest with you, who you've grown with, who knows you and who are willing to drop their coins, who find you actually valuable, because they're not doing you a favor when they sign up for these things. It is a mutual benefit whereby you are adding value to them and they're adding value to you, just like a value loop, right? So the reason I'm actually mentioning this is, if this is something you're looking to explore, start building your own community today of people who are interested in you, who want to listen to what you want to say, who share, even if they don't share the same opinion, who knows you are good at what you do, even on days you do not share the same opinion, right? So just start putting yourself out there. The truth is, unless you want to work at a 9 to 5, for both from freelancing gigs to creating courses to consultation to tech influencing, all these other streams of income, you need an online presence. And we are in the age of digital whereby you cannot decide not to. You making a decision not to only means you can't only just try to go your 9 to 5. Other sources of income, you can get them, right? But it takes a very long time. So you have to be very good at what you do and be very vocal. Speak about what you do. So if you are very good at what you do, speak more about what you do and build your own community of people who are interested to listen to you. Please, if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm looking to grow to 1,000 before the end of this year. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this with your friends. Thank you.